Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a how to apply liquid lipstick like a pro. So let's just get straight into the video. This Milani. So the first thing you want to do when you're applying liquid lippy is that straight out of the lipstick container, you put it in the center first, because you have too much product on the wand, so you don't want to apply that straight on the outer corner. So you just put it in the middle where you have space, and you are very sure it has reduced to an extent, and you start with the outer corner. And the same brush, you're not dipping it in. Open your mouth. Try and get the inner corner. And when you get here, you just curve it. Follow your natural lip shape. And if you feel like you're not satisfied with the layer, like you're not satisfied with the intensity of the lippy, you can still go back in with and just layer that on. You can only layer your liquid lipstick when it's still wet. If it's dry and you layer it on it, it will start leaving patches all around, and most times to not even be uniform. So here is the final look. I'm waiting for it to dry down. It has dried down a bit, but it's still shiny. Do hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you do not miss out on any of my uploads. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.